Alex, come here quickly. There's water all over the floor.
What happened? Did something spill?
No, I think it's coming from under the sink.
Let me check. Oh, you're right. The pipe is leaking.
This looks serious. The water keeps dripping.
We should turn off the water supply first.
Good idea. Where is the valve?
I think it's under the sink. Yes, here it is.
Okay, that slowed it down. But the pipe is still damaged.
We need to inform the landlord immediately.
Hello, Mr. Ahmed. This is Jane from apartment 203.
Hello, Jane. How can I help you?
There's a leak under the kitchen sink. Water is coming out of the pipe.
I see. How bad is it?
It's quite serious. We had to turn off the water supply.
That does sound urgent.
Could you send someone to look at it today?
Yes, I'll contact a plumber right away.
Thank you. Do you know how long it might take?
He should be there within 2 hours.
That would be great. We really appreciate it.
What did he say?
He's sending a plumber within 2 hours.
That's good. Hopefully it gets fixed quickly.
I'm worried about mold if the water spreads.
Yes, damp areas can cause mold very fast. We should clean this area while we wait.
I'll grab some towels.
And I'll open the windows for ventilation.
Hello, I'm here to fix the leak.
Hi, thank you so much for coming so quickly.
No problem at all. I understand how stressful leaks can be.
Yes, it was getting worse. So we're glad you're here.
Can you show me where the problem is?
Of course, it's right this way. It's right under the kitchen sink. We noticed water all over the floor.
I see. Let me take a closer look. Yes, the pipe is cracked. And there's a small gap here. That's where the water is leaking from.
Oh no, is it something serious?
Don't worry, it's not too bad. This kind of damage is quite common.
That's good to hear. What do you need to do to fix it?
I'll need to remove this damaged section and replace it with a new piece.
Will you need to turn off the water again?
Yes, just to be safe.
How long do you think it will take to fix everything?
It should take around 30 to 40 minutes. Maybe a bit less if everything goes smoothly.
That's faster than I expected.
Yes, it's a simple repair. Nothing too complicated.
Will this fix last? Or will we have the same problem again?
Once I replace this section, it should be fine. But since the pipe is a bit old, you should check the others in the future.
That makes sense. We'll inform the landlord about that.
Good idea. Regular maintenance can prevent bigger problems later.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. I'll get started right away.
Great. Let us know if you need anything.
Perfect. This should be fixed in no time.
That's a relief.
Do you need anything from us?
No, I have all the tools I need.
What caused the leak?
The pipe is old and worn out.
Should we be worried about other pipes?
It's a good idea to check them regularly.
Maybe we should inform the landlord about that.
Yes, better to prevent future problems. All done. The leak is fixed.
That was fast, thank you.
Can we turn the water back on now?
Yes, everything is secure.
Let me check. Great. No more leaks.
That's a big relief.
If you notice anything unusual, let me know.
We will. Thanks again.
Hello, Mr. Ahmed. This is Alex from apartment 203.
Hello, Alex. How are you? Is everything okay now?
Yes, I just wanted to let you know that the plumber fixed the issue.
That's good to hear. Was it a serious problem?
Not too serious. But the pipe under the sink was cracked and leaking.
I see. I'm glad it was handled quickly.
Yes, thank you for sending help so fast. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome. That's my responsibility as a landlord.
The plumber did a great job. And everything seems fine now.
That's good. Did he mention anything else?
Yes, he said that some of the pipes might be old and could cause problems in the future.
That's important to know.
He suggested checking the entire plumbing system.
I agree. It's better to fix small issues before they become bigger problems.
Exactly. We just wanted to inform you.
Thank you for letting me know. I'll arrange a full inspection soon.
That would be great. It will give us peace of mind.
I'll contact a technician and schedule a visit within the next few days.
Perfect. Please let us know the time so we can be available.
Of course, I'll inform you in advance. And if anything happens, don't hesitate to call me immediately.
We will. Thank you again for your quick response and support.
You're welcome, Alex. Take care.
You too. Have a great day.
Have you ever faced a problem like this at home?
How did you handle it? Did you fix it yourself or call someone?
What would you say in English if you had to call your landlord?
Try using phrases like, "Could you send someone to look at this? It's quite urgent. When do you think it will be fixed?"
Practice these sentences with us.
And share your ideas in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English conversations. House chores tension.
Why is the kitchen always like this in the morning? I can't even find a clean cup.
I was really tired last night. I thought I'd clean it later.
But later never comes, Jane. It's the same situation every day.
That's not fair. I had a long day yesterday. I just needed some rest.
I understand that. But I also had a long day. Still, I wake up and deal with all this mess.
So now it's my fault that the kitchen is messy?
I'm not saying it's all your fault, but it feels like I'm the only one cleaning in the morning.
You're acting like I don't do anything at all around here.
That's not what I mean. I know you do things, but this keeps happening again and again.
Maybe because I don't have the energy at night? I thought you'd understand that.
I do understand, but it's frustrating to start every day like this. It puts me in a bad mood.
Well, it's not exactly a great feeling for me either. Being blamed first thing in the morning?
I'm not trying to blame you. I just want things to be a bit more organized.
Maybe we both need to figure out a better way. Instead of arguing about it.
Yeah, maybe. Because this isn't working anymore.
I also work, Alex. I don't sit at home all day.
I know that, Jane. I'm not saying you don't work hard.
Then why does this sound like you're blaming me for everything?
Because I come home tired, too. And there's still so much left to do.
So you think I just ignore everything on purpose?
No, I don't think that. I just feel like I end up handling most of it.
That's not true. I cook, I clean, I try to manage things too.
I see that sometimes, but it doesn't feel consistent.
So now you're keeping score of who does what.
I'm not keeping score. I'm just exhausted from feeling like I'm doing everything alone.
You should have told me earlier. Instead of letting it build up like this.
Maybe I should have, but I didn't want to start an argument.
And now we're arguing anyway.
Yeah, because I can't ignore it anymore.
That's not fair. I didn't realize you felt this overwhelmed. I wish you had talked to me calmly. Before it got this serious.
Maybe we both should have communicated better from the start. Yesterday I cleaned the living room. And today it's messy again.
I only left a few things there. It wasn't intentional.
A few things turn into a big mess every time, Jane. It keeps happening.
You're making it sound worse than it is. It's not that messy.
Maybe not to you. But to me, it feels like all my effort just disappears overnight.
I didn't mean to undo your work. I just got busy and forgot to put things back.
That's the problem. Things keep getting forgotten.
And you always notice what I forgot. Not what I actually did.
Maybe because the undone things keep piling up and become more obvious.
So, the few mistakes matter more than everything else I do?
It's not about mistakes. It's about consistency.
I try, Alex, I really do. But it feels like nothing I do is enough for you.
I'm not saying it's not enough. I just want us to keep things under control together.
Then stop pointing fingers every time something is out of place.
I'm not trying to point fingers. I'm just frustrated.
And I'm frustrated too. Because it feels like I'm always being criticized.
Maybe we're both focusing on the wrong things, instead of fixing the actual problem.
Do you think I'm lazy or something?
No, I don't think that. I just feel overwhelmed.
I feel like I'm being blamed for everything.
I don't want to blame you. I want things to be balanced.
Then maybe we're just not managing things properly.
Honestly, I don't want to fight about dishes every single day.
Me neither. It's exhausting and it's starting to affect everything else.
Yeah, even small things turn into big arguments now.
Because we're both already frustrated before we even start talking.
Then why does it keep happening over and over again?
Because we don't have a system. We just expect each other to handle things without saying it clearly.
And when it doesn't happen, we assume the worst.
Exactly. I think you expect me to do certain things. and I expect you to do others. But we never actually agreed on it.
Yeah, we're just guessing instead of planning, and it's clearly not working.
And those wrong expectations keep turning into arguments.
I hate coming home and already feeling annoyed about chores.
Me too. Home is supposed to feel relaxing, not stressful.
Instead, it feels like we're constantly blaming each other.
And that's not what we want. We're supposed to support each other, not compete.
You're right. This isn't about dishes anymore. It's about how we're handling things together.
So maybe it's time we stop arguing about the same problem and actually fix it.
Yeah, because if we don't, this will just keep repeating every day.
Maybe we should write everything down. Like who does what.
A proper schedule?
Yes, so nothing is forgotten or assumed.
That actually sounds fair. No confusion, no guessing.
And no more blaming each other.
Okay, I'll take dishes, trash, and kitchen cleaning.
I'll handle laundry, bedroom, and organizing the living room.
We can also switch tasks every week so it stays balanced.
Good idea. And we should set reminders on our phones.
This already feels more organized than before.
The house actually looks clean without stress now.
And we're not arguing every night anymore.
I guess we just needed a plan, not complaints.
Yeah, teamwork makes it easier than fighting.
I'm glad we figured it out together.
Me too. This feels like real partnership now.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.